If you're a student and a week doesn't go by without having to finish lots of assignments or school projects, here's how to use your work using an online AI tool called ChatGPT. Before we go fully into the video, let's go over the basics. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence and is a broad field that encompasses machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Lots of story, right? AI is just a machine that is designed to think and act like humans. And the important is either to solve our complex problem or enhance us to do them more efficiently. Now, how is ChatGPT going to be useful for you as a student? Let's get more practical. Now, to use the ChatGPT free AI tool, just go to your Chrome. Now, you can just search ChatGPT. ChatGPT is just like checking something on Google. So, let's just first one. Just go to openai.com. It will take us to the official blog for OpenAI because ChatGPT is under OpenAI. So down, you're just going to scroll down. There are some things, interesting things you can read about ChatGPT on this particular blog. But once you scroll down, you see a place that says try ChatGPT. So just click on it and it will take you to a direct link that you can use to access the AI tool. So in other words, if you go to chat.openai.com/chat, it will take you straight up to ChatGPT 2. So here's just like the home page for the tool, and here's where you can get to ask your question. So you can get to ask a question over here. Now, recently I asked ChatGPT what's its benefit to students. Now, the first thing ChatGPT told me is that writing assistant. So ChatGPT can assist students in generating written essays written content such as essays, research paper, and reports. With its advanced language generation capabilities, it can help students to improve their writing style and grammar. So, in other words, you can use it to generate research paper and reports. Now, let's say you have a project. Okay, write a now you just have to wait for some seconds. Now, this is just how ChatGPT can write a report for you. However, ChatGPT will only provide valuable and useful things that you can actually use in doing your project or assignment. You should not use ChatGPT as a substitute for a professional or expertise advice or so. So basically, as we can see, the AI tool is still writing some reports. Now, this is if you're actually a science student. You can actually check for tell this AI tool to write a report for you. It's so easy. It's so easy to use. Now, you also can use this AI better if you have a prior knowledge of what your assignment is all about. If you don't understand anything about material science lab experiment, you won't understand all these things that this AI tool has given to me. So you would not understand at all. So in other words, from the title to the date to the experiment title to the introduction to the methods, and then the results, and then discussion and conclusion. So you can ask ChatGPT any type of question. Now, what's the law? I might not actually structure this question very well, but is just like asking someone a question. So because if you check underneath here phrase, for instance, our goal is to make AI system more natural and safe to interact with. The definition, then first law of thermodynamics, second law, and the third law, the zeroth law, and then just like a conclusion. So that's what ChatGPT does. And you might be thinking that is it only limited to science students? No, it's not. I asked ChatGPT another question that I would love to show you. No matter what you're studying, ChatGPT can be useful in different areas. Now, I asked how is ChatGPT useful for architectures? Now, it's gave me the answer in a simple term that you can use to generate descriptions. So while drawing those project proposal presentation, it can help you to improve the quality and accuracy of your written content. And you can also use ChatGPT to get inspiration and ideas. You can use it to generate ideas and inspiration for your architectural project. You can ask ChatGPT question about specific building styles or materials, receive suggestions and recommendations and all that. So it can help you to create a big idea that you can actually work on. So anything you want ChatGPT to do for you, you can do it. Now, you might be thinking that I write stories. We might be asked to just put up a fiction story and all that and any other thing. ChatGPT can also write a story, right? If you want to write a story, you have the topic and then you have different outlines. So just outline a topic. So I'm asking ChatGPT to just give me something that I can write on. This might also be a project for students. So introduction, explanation of the importance of weather report. ChatGPT is actually grouping. So you can even use this ChatGPT to write a whole textbook. As I said before, you have to have prior knowledge, because one thing about AI that I explained to us is that it helps us to enhance our work. Basically, it's doing the work, but it also like improves the work, enhance the work. So in other words, here is a full textbook that I can write on weather reports in Nigeria. So it doesn't matter which topic I want to use ChatGPT to do, is going to make it happen. Is going to make it happen. So I'm asking ChatGPT, can you solve mathematical problems? It says, yes, it can solve. It's not designed to be a general purpose. Simple calculation, subtraction, and addition, and so. Okay. Mathematical concepts provide explanation and information. It's important to know that it's trained on large corpus of text, information about mathematics. So anything and any subject, you can do that on ChatGPT. So you can start using ChatGPT for your assignment. Just type in the question in the space provided here and just get your answer. Work further with the answer, because lots of people are already using this ChatGPT, millions of students out there. So you can just frame your answer. Once you get it, you can structure it in a way that is specific to you, in a way that fits better with your writing style and all that. Because it's possible to do your research yourself and you are writing the same thing with another person, let's say in your group or in your class or in other groups. This is a benefit of ChatGPT for students, and you can use it to ask any questions, create anything. So if you mistakenly press this plus sign, you have a fresh page. But if you need any information from your previous questions or research, just click on these 3 lines here and you can see everything that you have asked or done on ChatGPT. So basically, chat.openai.com, and you get your questions answered. That's what ChatGPT AI free tool is all about. So use it, share this video with your friend. You are good to go. Now that you understand what ChatGPT is and how you can effectively use it as a student, begin to use this free AI tool. Well, it's free for now. Use it to get valuable information and resource for your assignment and projects. That's it. And before you go, kindly support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post more useful content like this. Thank you.